You hear traders say GBP/USD is bullish or EUR/USD is bearish. But what does that actually tell you about which currency is winning? Remember, every pair has a base currency listed first and a quote currency listed second. When people say a pair is bullish, they mean the price is expected to rise. And since price represents how much quote currency it takes to buy 1 unit of base currency, a rising price means the base currency is strengthening against the quote currency. Let's use GBP/USD. If this pair is bullish, that means the British pound, the base currency, is expected to strengthen against the US dollar. The dollar in this case is the one getting weaker. Now flip it. If USD/JPY is bearish, that means USD, the base currency here, is expected to weaken against the Japanese yen. The yen is the one strengthening. Here's the trap beginners fall into. They hear bullish and assume something generically positive is happening without checking which currency is actually the base. The exact same real-world events, say the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates, could be described as USD/JPY being bearish or as JPY/USD being bullish if you flipped the pair. Same event, opposite sounding label because the base currency changed. So whenever you hear a bullish or bearish call on a pair, your first move should be identify the base currency. That tells you which currency the whole statement is actually about.